Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to make very tasty crab curry. This is my mom's recipe and it's a popular dish in my family. Let's start with cleaning the crabs. If you bought live crabs, put them in hot water for 10 minutes. Take it out and break up the legs first. Remove the outer shell in the body and discard it. Then remove the gills and loose shells. Wash it thoroughly. Cut or break it into 2 pieces. I'm using 1 dozen clean crabs for this recipe. Ingredients are 3 medium-sized onion chopped, 4 green chilies, 1 medium tomato finely chopped, 2 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, half tablespoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon jeera powder, half tablespoon coriander powder, quarter cup oil. Few curry leaves optional, 1 cup grated coconut, half tablespoon sauce. Blend coconut and sauce with water to a smooth paste. Use a heavy bottom pan to make this dish. Preheat the pan and then add oil, green chilies and curry leaves. Fry for a minute. Add onion and saute for at least 5 minutes. When onion turns transparent, add ginger garlic paste and fry for a few minutes. Add tomatoes and mix it well. Then add red chili powder, coriander powder and cumin powder. Add 1 tablespoon salt for now. It might get salty after adding crabs, so adjust salt later. Add 1 cup water and mix well. Now add the crabs. Add coconut paste and mix well. Add 2 to 3 cups water to get gravy-like consistency. Adjust spice and salt if needed. Make sure there is enough water. Cover and let it cook for 15 minutes in medium flame. Stir in between to prevent burning. It smells so good. Crab should be cooked well after 15 minutes and oil will start to separate. Curry is ready to serve now. Enjoy this yummy dish with hot rice or parota. Try this recipe and please leave your comments. Thanks for watching.